So what we have here is a pilot bearing that it was in there good. I could not get it out. I tried a number of things and it was winning the battle. So a friend of mine told me of this way of getting the bearing out, and I started with chiseling the I guess it's the bearing housing that's inside the race that you press into the crankshaft, so I could get to the actual pressed in piece a little bit easier. Just pull that piece out real quick, and then here, this is my solution to grounding, because I wanted to ground the welder directly to the crank, so I wasn't running the ground or electrical current through the entire motor and electrical system. And so I took you take a TIG torch, assuming you have one. I realize that not many people have these, and you run basically a weld on the inside of the bearing in 4 places, clocked at like 1, 3, 6, and 9, to get the bearing to shrink in the direction away from how it's pressed in. It also works on pressed on. I guess this method works on bearings that are pressed on to the outside of something, not just pressed on the inside. You just reverse the process.
What's all this for? It's got me turned around, but I can't ignore the feelings that I found in this whole damn thing that we got going.
So once that was heated up and I felt like that was the best I could do, here I got my bearing removal tool, which I failed multiple times with this before. And this time, here we see it came out easily. It was like butter. This trick worked extremely well. Clean it out a little bit. And there's no more pilot bearing. And it's not really a great picture. It was a dirty mess to TIG weld this. It's a good thing I didn't need anything to hold. And I'm replacing it with a bushing instead of a bearing, so I don't have a failed bearing again. Then we'll just proceed with reassembling. Press it back in here. I've got my custom bearing install tool. Throw the flywheel on, and then continue with the clutch install. We'll do a little entertainment value here, watching me struggle underneath the truck for hours.
You don't